Assessing the knowledge of STEM 11 students at Holy Name University regarding polycystic ovary syndrome (PCOS). Have you ever wondered about the hidden challenges that many women face in their lives? Do you know about PCOS? In this video, we conducted research on selected students of Holy Name University to answer questions about one such challenge that affects millions of women worldwide: polycystic ovary syndrome, commonly known as PCOS. But first, what is PCOS? Polycystic ovary syndrome (PCOS) is a common hormonal disorder in women of reproductive age characterized by irregular periods, excess androgen levels, and the presence of ovarian cysts. It can lead to infertility and increase the risk of other health problems. Irregular periods, usually with a lack of ovulation, can make it difficult to become pregnant. Several factors, including genetics, insulin resistance, inflammation, and high levels of androgens male hormones, contribute to the development of PCOS. However, its exact cause is still unknown. Hormone level testing, ultrasound imaging of the ovaries, and clinical symptoms are typically used to identify the illness. Many long-term health hazards, such as infertility, type 2 diabetes, hypertension, and heart disease are linked to PCOS. While there is no cure for PCOS, it can be effectively managed through lifestyle changes. The researchers aim to assess STEM 11 students' knowledge at Holy Name University regarding polycystic ovary syndrome (PCOS), focusing on their understanding of its causes, symptoms, complications, diagnosis, and management regarding this hormonal disorder that significantly impacts women's health and well-being. It aims to find misconceptions and awareness gaps by examining these particular topics, since PCOS has a significant effect on the physical, mental, and reproductive health of millions of women globally. Understanding the viewpoints and expertise of medical professionals is crucial to advancing early detection, improved health outcomes, and public awareness in general. The feedback received from the participants will be useful in identifying areas that require improvement to share accurate and trustworthy information regarding PCOS. It will also assist in drawing attention to typical misunderstandings or misconceptions that students can have in the end. This will help students become more knowledgeable and encourage better attitudes and behaviors around women's reproductive health. Specifically, the result of the survey for this study aims to answer the following research questions. 1. What is the level of knowledge of STEM 11 students regarding the basic concepts of PCOS? 2. To what extent do students understand the symptoms and health risks associated with PCOS? 3. How familiar are STEM students with the diagnosis and treatment options for PCOS? To test our study, we conducted a pilot testing first, and it was examined by a statistician named Mr. Ace Poi. And it turns out that our questionnaires has a reliability percentage of 84%, which means that it is highly reliable. The survey was conducted on the Holy Name University campus among grade 11 senior high school students from the section Our Lady of Guadalupe. It produced responses from 17 participants, comprising 17 female students. The researchers gathered data through a Likert scale questionnaire and divided it into 3 parts: Section A, General Knowledge of PCOS; Section B, Symptoms and Causes; Section C, Diagnosis and Health Implications. The scale has 5 levels: 1 for strongly disagree, 2 for disagree, 3 for neutral, 4 for agree, and 5 for strongly agree. The results of the questionnaire on the first section: General Knowledge of PCOS. 1. I have heard about polycystic ovary syndrome (PCOS) before. The mean is 3.71, which is neither agree or disagree on the Likert scale. 2. I understand what PCOS is and how it affects the body. The mean is 3.5, to which is neither agree or disagree on the Likert scale. 3. PCOS is a hormonal disorder that primarily affects individuals with ovaries. The mean is 3.8, to which is neither agree or disagree on the Likert scale. 4. PCOS can occur in adolescents and adults. The mean is 3.59, which is neither agree or disagree on the Likert scale. Now we move on to the second section of the survey, which is Symptoms and Causes. 1. Irregular periods are a common symptom of PCOS. The mean is 3.80, to which is neither agree or disagree on the Likert scale. 2. Excessive facial or body hair can be a sign of PCOS. The mean is 3.59, which is neither agree or disagree on the Likert scale. 3. PCOS can cause acne and weight gain. The mean is 3.24, which is neither agree or disagree on the Likert scale. 4. PCOS is caused only by lifestyle factors. The mean is 3.01, which is neither agree or disagree on the Likert scale. 5. Hormonal imbalances, especially high androgen levels, are linked to PCOS. The mean is 3.65, which is neither agree or disagree on the Likert scale. Now we move on to the last section of the survey, which is diagnosis and health implications. 1. PCOS can be diagnosed through blood tests and an ultrasound. The mean is 3.65, which is neither agree or disagree on the Likert scale. 2. PCOS increases the risk of infertility and complications in pregnancy. The mean is 4, which is agree on the Likert scale. 3. People with PCOS are more prone to developing type 2 diabetes and heart disease. The mean is 3.12, which is neither agree or disagree on the Likert scale. 4. A person can have PCOS even if they are not overweight. The mean is 3.82, which is neither agree or disagree on the Likert scale. As observed, the average scores for most responses range from 3.1 to 3.9. This suggests that STEM 11 students from Our Lady of Guadalupe have limited awareness regarding the causes, symptoms, complications, diagnosis, and management of PCOS. However, the second question in the final section shows an average score of 4, indicating that they are aware of the increased risk of infertility and pregnancy complications associated with PCOS. This study underscores the importance of health education, especially for young individuals who may directly or indirectly face the effects of PCOS. Addressing these knowledge gaps through targeted initiatives can help equip students with the information necessary to make informed decisions about their health and encourage early detection and management of PCOS. Ultimately, this survey provides a foundation for promoting health literacy, advocacy, and awareness within the community.